Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to segment contacts by tag in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, log into your Omnisend account, and once done, just go to the left panel and pop audience out, and then just go ahead and click on segments. And once done, in here, in front of your screen, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on create segment. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, we're going to need to create a segment from scratch. Okay, so just click on it, wait for it. Now let's go ahead and add in a filter. All right, so filter, in the menu right here, select a tag. Okay, click on it, and then once done, choose the specific tag you want to use to filter your contacts. Okay, tag right here is, click on this drop down, maybe the specific tag, all right, or the customer tag. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on bulk, tap away, and then once done, save and show contacts right here and give it a name. For example, contact segment bulk. All right, and then hit on save, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have your segmented contacts by tag right here. Okay, that is it. If you want to open it up in the future, for example, in here, okay, just go ahead over to the audience once more and click on segments, and you will have the contact segments right here. Click on it, and here you have the results. Well, I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.